Helen and Rose Savannah is marketed as an online fashion boutique, offering stylish clothing inspired by Southern charm and timeless fashion. The elegant branding and attractive discounts can make it look like a premium local boutique. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many online boutiques offer fashionable clothing at competitive prices. A store using a city name or boutique-style branding isn't automatically local or untrustworthy. What it does well: trendy fashion selection. The store offers dresses, tops, knitwear, outerwear, and everyday wardrobe essentials. Attractive pricing. Frequent promotions and clearance sales can make many items appear to offer good value. Where the hype falls apart, the branding may create assumptions. Using Savannah in the name doesn't necessarily mean the business is based in Savannah, Georgia, or that the products are locally made. Product quality may vary. The fabric, stitching, and fit may not always match the expectations created by the product photos. Shipping and returns deserve attention. Before ordering, review the shipping times, return policy, and whether return shipping costs are your responsibility. So, should you buy from Helen and Rose Savannah? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you like the clothing and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the boutique branding or promotional discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.